Imagine a world where money moves at the speed of light, where transactions are seamless, and where financial security is no longer a concern. Welcome to the future of finance, a world constantly being reshaped by technology. Today, we delve into the latest 20 technologies that are revolutionizing the finance industry. First up, we have artificial intelligence. AI is transforming everything from customer service to risk management, making processes more efficient and accurate. Second on our list is blockchain. This decentralized technology is making transactions more secure and transparent, disrupting the traditional banking system. Thirdly, we have big data. Financial institutions are leveraging big data to gain insights, improve decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. Next, we have robotic process automation. RPA is automating repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more complex tasks. Fifth, we have mobile banking. This technology is providing customers with convenience, allowing them to perform banking transactions from anywhere, anytime. Sixth on our list is cryptocurrencies. These digital currencies are creating new ways of exchanging value and are challenging traditional monetary systems. Seventh, we have peer-to-peer lending. This technology is democratizing access to finance, connecting borrowers directly with lenders. Eighth, we have cloud computing. This technology is providing financial institutions with scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Ninth, we have cybersecurity. As finance goes digital, the need for robust security systems is becoming paramount. 10th, we have predictive analytics. This technology is helping financial institutions to forecast future trends and make proactive decisions. Next, we have RegTech. This technology is simplifying regulatory compliance, making it easier for financial institutions to adhere to regulations. 12th, we have InsurTech. This technology is revolutionizing the insurance industry, making it more efficient and customer-centric. 13th, we have digital wallets. These are making transactions quicker, easier, and safer. 14th, we have quantum computing. This technology holds the potential to solve complex financial problems in seconds. 15th, we have open banking. This technology is promoting collaboration and innovation in the financial industry. 16th, we have smart contracts. These are automating contractual agreements, reducing the need for intermediaries. 17th, we have biometric authentication. This technology is enhancing security by using unique biological characteristics for identification. 18th, we have chatbots. These AI-powered bots are improving customer service by providing instant responses. 19th, we have machine learning. This technology is helping financial institutions to learn from data, improve operations, and make more accurate predictions. Lastly, we have augmented reality. This technology is enhancing customer experiences, making banking more interactive and immersive. In conclusion, these 20 technologies are not just changing the finance industry, they are redefining it. They're making finance more efficient, secure, and customer-centric. The future of finance is here, and it's exciting. So keep an eye on these technologies as they continue to shape the finance industry in ways we can only begin to imagine.